Is that your first piece of Velcro? Oh, your brother had a piece of Velcro that he kept around for 6 months. Yeah. He liked it when he was teething. Yeah. What do you think? Huh? What do you think about it? Was it frustrating? Huh? You're manhandling it. Say it's a new texture. Oh, we'll show you after bed. We'll take the 2 parts and we'll show you the sound. We'll let you hear the sound. Yeah. The sound is cool. Uh-huh. Yeah. Where's the smile? Huh? Really? I can ask for one on demand? Say, I'll have to tell your mom and dad. What? Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to take the Velcro home? Huh? Or do you want to leave it here at Grandma and Grandpa's? If I could only understand what you're saying. Oh, I don't know. That last part sounded pretty important. Was it? Are you done talking? Oh yeah, you're concentrating now. Yeah, that's pretty interesting stuff, isn't it?